Hey you guys, this is Honey. I'm back. I know it's been like forever, but today we're gonna make this rotini pasta, meatless rotini pasta, and pasta sauce. So here I have half a cup of onion and some field roast sausage. It's meatless sausage, and I'll insert a picture of what it looks like right here. You can get this from your local grocery store, or you can get it from Whole Foods, whatever you like. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put some water in a pot with a little bit of salt and a little bit of oil for our rotini pasta. So make sure you get that to a good boil. And right here is the kind of pasta that we're using. It's whole grain rotini, but you can use whatever you want. You can use lentil pasta, whatever. So here are the sausages and the onions in there. They should look like that. You want it brown like that. You know what I mean? Cook it up real good, real nice. Alright, so once that's done, then we're gonna do the pasta sauce. So I use 2 cans of ragu. And when you pour your pasta sauce in there, you want to turn it down a little bit. You don't want to burn your pasta sauce. So I'm using mushroom and green pepper and roasted garlic for our pasta sauces, but use whatever you like. And here I'm putting some sugar in there. I know, like, who puts sugar in spaghetti? Me, because I don't like it being tart. But anyway. Now we're gonna put some Italian seasoning and a little bit of pepper in here. And that's pretty much all the seasonings that I put in there. You stir it up real good and you put the top on and you let it simmer. You see it bubbling in there? And y'all excuse me, but listen, I am new to YouTube, so I'm recording this with my phone, like phone in hand recording. So if you see my little hand, it's me. So anyway, we're gonna put the pasta in there and we're going to cook the pasta according to the instructions on the box. And then back over to the sauce. You see that sauce? That sauce bubbling. It's bubbling, boo. You want it to simmer. You know what I mean? So here's our pasta. It's all done and drained. And we're going to pour the pasta into the sauce. Like that. Like that. And you guys, it's done. That's it. It probably took me about maybe 20 minutes to cook this, and it's so good, and it's meatless. So if you do not eat meat, or you can add meat if you wanted to, you can cook it with meat, but here it is. We're gonna plate it up real nice, real good. It looks so good. So I hope you guys like this recipe, and I hope you guys come back. See, look, I had to be fancy and put some parsley flakes on the top to make it look pretty. But, you know, serve it up with some bread on the side, a salad, and you good to go. Well, I hope you like this tutorial, you guys, and I'll try to be back for some more. So, thank you, and I love you. Bye.